the flour just a little at a time. Mix it slowly, let it shine. Now roll it out on a floured board. Stars and hearts, a cookie hoard. Cookie bells ring, the oven's warm. Sprinkle joy in every form. Ginger spice and everything nice. Cookie bells ring this Christmas night. Chop some almonds, fold with care. Shape the crescents in winter air. Bake them golden, soft and round. Let the magic scent surround. Dust with sugar, snowy white. Cookies dancing in candlelight. Cookie bells ring, the oven's warm. Sprinkle joy in every form. Ginger spice and everything nice. Cookie bells ring this Christmas night. Fill the tins, line them up with pride. Snickerdoodles, shortbread side by side. One for Grandma, two for me. Save some for the Christmas tree. Wrap them up with love and cheer. Sweetest gifts of all the year. Cut out shapes and icing lines. Sweet memories, festive times. From oven to box, from heart to hand. Cookie magic fills